Hi, we're Hannah and Erin, two of your student content shapers.
And we're going to be sharing with you some simple ways to save energy and money on bills at a student house. Make sure you switch off lights when you leave the room, and especially when it's light outside. By doing this, you can save around £20 a year on your energy bills for you to spend on whatever you want.
Stop leaving appliances on standby. Switch off appliances at the wall when they are not in use, for example your TV or kettle. According to the Energy Saving Trust, you can save £55 a year by doing this.
Don't have your heating on all the time, especially when you're out. Make sure you put your heating on a timer so that it's on when everyone is in the house. You can also put hot water on a timer too, just don't forget to make sure that the timing is correct.
Try to dry clothes naturally. It's more environmentally friendly. However, if there is a tumble dryer in the house, make sure they've been on the spin cycle first to get out any extra moisture. Dry a full load, but don't overfill it.
In terms of saving water, if you keep your showers to just 4 minutes, you can save £65 on your bills. Make sure you turn off the taps when you're not using them, especially when brushing your teeth, shaving or washing your face. We hope all of this helps. If you have any extra tips, make sure to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching!
Thanks!